Seliman, how are you? I am just about to sleep in the container. MashaAllah, the whole country is rising. There's a big change taking place, MashaAllah. Over a month in a... No, I stayed. Look, there's a little village, there's a tent village around me now. So we have a proper sort of people sleeping all around me. And so it's the biggest movement, mashallah, it's really spreading in Pakistan. So it's very successful. And inshallah we'll get to our objective. Well, I don't know. I can't tell, but I'm not moving till Nawaz Sharif resigns. Well, it's a battle of nerves. And your boss is not going to give up. So say your prayers. When you say your prayers at night, remember to ask Allah to help me, okay? It'll all be over by your half term, so inshallah I'll see you then. Okay, Khuda
Talking from the luxury of the container.
इतनी अच्छी अब मुझे नींद आती है पर मेरे पैर नहीं फिट होते ना ये तो अब मैं इतना आराम से सोता हूँ। ऊपर है ना लाइट बत्तियां बंद। मैं कर रहा हूँ।